Distance. Can you tell me the difference between displacement and distance?
The displacement means to take the object from one place to another, and distance means the how much the gap there between one place to another.
Yeah. You are also right somewhat. Displacement is the shortest distance between two routes. अगर तुम अपने घर से स्कूल जाओगे बाय बस जाओगे सपोज करो तो वो एक्चुअल रूट लेकर चलेगी ठीक है अगर तुम बाय फुट जाओगे जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम हो सकता है कि बस से पहले पहुंच जाओ शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस वी कैन राइट इट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस राइट एंड डिस्टेंस इज द more than displacement. Distance is more than displacement, right? Displacement is the shortest distance between two points, and distance is the long distance comparing two points. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you tell the distance again?
Distance. Okay, I thought you were. Yeah, I was right. Distance. I tell you. Suppose. Uh, see here. There is a triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? One angle is 90 degree. From point A to B, distance is 4 meter. And from point A to C, distance is 9 meter. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
from point C to B, distance is, let's suppose, 20 meter. To reach from point B to C, one route is from direct B to C, and one route is B to A, then A to C. So if we go from B to C, B to A, then A to C. C from B to A, 4 and A to C, 9 plus 4, 13. And if we go direct from this point to this point, then this is 20. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
13 is displacement, 13 is displacement. Okay. And 20 is the distance. Distance is more than displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance, and distance is the long distance. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving, so we had started from here, F equals to MA. Okay. So basically, I was teaching to you acceleration. Now we are done with displacement and distance. Okay. Now we will move towards velocity. What is velocity?
Sir, velocity tells the direction of